Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Total 3 पॉइंट आसात. त्या पॉइंटा वयल्यान टुरिस्ट नेचर वतात आणि नेचर गेल्या उपरांत ते मोस्ट प्रोबेबली थोडे जाण बिकॉज ऑफ लॅक ऑफ नॉलेज आनी ते ड्रॉन जाता. सो नाव आमी अशें करपाक सोदता की खंयचे स्पॉट those are dangerous for the tourists, that spot we will identify and we will make the arrangement to prevent the tourist or the person to go on that point.
Drowning cases जे Kodar river and जाय आसा कोट्रा ते कशे प्रिवेंट करपाचे. So joint inspection आज सगळे गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स प्रेजेंट आसले. Last 10 years we have registered around 15 cases, drowning cases from Nirankal till Khandepar.
We are taking up the campaign separately, and it's called We Care, that is Voluntary Consumer Action for River Ecosystem. It is a campaign that is an all Goa campaign. Right now we are focusing on 3 rivers. In Ponda Taluka, this what we call Kodar River. Salset we have taken River Sal, and in Barjes we have taken Tar River in Mapsa.